All right, everybody, welcome into episode 13 of the How It Works video series. As always, we're powered by General Informatics. Today we're going to talk about Visio, and here in a little bit we're going to bring on Dustin Landry, who is the Director of Engineering here at General Informatics, to kind of show us how he uses Visio day to day. But before we get into kind of the nitty-gritty of how we use it and the details about that, Jonathan, will you tell us a little bit about what Visio is as a whole?
Yeah, so Visio is a diagram creation software. You can create basic workflows with it, with diamonds and squares and circles and that kind of stuff. You can create network layouts with it. You can create org charts for your company. You can do floor plans with it. If it's a diagram where you have shapes on it and you need to move those around, it's perfect for that.
It really is. It really is. So without further ado, here's Dustin Landry. All right, everybody, help me welcome in Dustin Landry, who is the Director of Engineering here at General Informatics. He's based out of our Baton Rouge office, and today he's going to show us how he uses Visio day to day.
Hey guys, thanks for having me on.
Thanks for
We're
joining
happy
us.
you could be here.
Yes, sir. So let's we'll walk through basically importing in a stencil. We're going to use a Cisco Catalyst switch for this one. Might throw a couple PCs out there, connect them up to the switch, just kind of show you the basics, right?
Yeah, awesome.
All right. So I've previously downloaded the stencil. So what you'll do here is we will go more shapes, open stencil. And this is my Visio stencil that I downloaded previously. Once that's open, you can pick the one you want. We'll just grab this one here, front. We can give it a label if we'd like. So we'll call this switch 1. Right? We can move that around. Get it out the way a little bit. Let's put it on top. All right, and the Visio actually comes with quite a few kind of canned diagrams you can use as well, or stencils that you can use as well. We'll just pick computers and monitors here. Let's see. Network, computers and monitors. And we'll take a PC, just kind of drag it on over there to the page. Just kind of shrink that down. We'll grab another one. Right. All right. Then we use the connector tool here. We'll just connect that into the switch. Connect another one here, like so. And you can label these as well if you'd like. Let's call this PC 1, 2, right? So this is basically what we use it for whenever we onboard a new client or make changes to the environment. We'll use Visio to kind of draw that out, right? And I know this is really super simple what we did here, but it's really easy to use, really easy to import stencils in. A lot of the manufacturers, Cisco, Dell, SonicWall, folks like that actually have stencils out there for free that you can download. And it's actually, it looks identical to the actual manufactured switch or product, whether it be a firewall, router, server.
Awesome.
Yeah. So we can also, once we're done with our drawing, I know this was super simple, you can get really crazy with this and kind of show you what we do is we'll do an export, and we will export this out to a PDF, right? That way, we'll just do drawing 1 is fine there. We'll save it in our documents and we'll publish. This way we can share it with other engineers and they don't have to actually have Visio to pull up the drawing, right? Because not everybody has the licensing or whatnot. Usually our network engineers, senior engineers have Visio and they can make their drawings themselves.
Awesome. I like how you can get a real visual representation of your network. So instead of just having a list of switches and firewalls, you can actually see how everything's physically mapped out.
That's right. That's exactly right.
Awesome. Well, Dustin, thanks for showing us everything. We'd love to have you back on whenever you can.
Sure thing. No problem.
Awesome. Thanks, Dustin.
Thanks, Dustin.
Thank you.
Huge shout out to Dustin Landry for taking the time to show us how he uses Visio day to day. And I want everybody to keep in mind, I know that we showed network gear in that Visio, but really with all of the stencils that are available, you can do anything from science to finance to just really like home layouts. Anything that you would need, Visio likely has a stencil for it. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching episode 13. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to email us at howitworks@geninf.com.